Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log out of your Facebook account on other devices remotely. Let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now, navigate to Account Center at the top of the settings menu. Scroll down to the Account Settings section and tap on Password and Security. Here, you'll find the Security Check section. Tap on where you're logged in. This shows all active Facebook sessions and devices currently logged into your account. Tap on any account to view detailed login activity. To log out remotely, tap Select Devices to log out at the bottom. Check the boxes next to the devices you want to remove. You can select multiple devices at once for Facebook security management. Finally, tap Log Out to confirm and remove access from those devices. And that's it. You successfully logged out of Facebook on other devices. This is useful for protecting your account if you forgot to log out on a public computer or old device. If you found this Facebook account security tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to NetNimble for more step-by-step guides.